Ages welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a memory foam dog bed. If you can see, this is from the brand called Bedsure. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. And for this one, they actually have it in a lot of different size and a lot of different color. Like they have it in small, medium, large, and extra large. And they have it in like gray, light blue, and some other color. The one that we got right here is the extra large, and it is a light blue color. But let's open up to show you guys what it actually looks like first and what is actually included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So they have the little protection layer right here. This is what the inside looks like. So it looks like they have this layer right here that looks like the memory foam layer inside. And then here's another one right here. Inside right here, there's a little cover that is washable. So I'm assuming you guys can throw this into the washer to wash it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. So I'm actually open up and expand it to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here's one of the layers and here's the other one. So it's definitely going to take some time for it to fully expand. But basically the white layer is the bottom layer and the blue layer on top, the cooling gel right here. You can see inside is blue. This layer is the top layer, so that way actually get that cooling effect when they actually sleep on this, which is pretty nice. So basically what we're going to do now is just let it expand. But before we do that, I do want to put it inside the bag first, or the cover. So let me actually open this cover right here first. So for the cover right here, they do have a zipper compartment where you can actually open it up. And once you guys open it up, you have to just slide it inside. So in this case, we have the top layer and the bottom. I do want to put the gel inside first. Just want to slide that inside. Make sure it fits all the way inside. Alright, so once we have that one in, you guys want to put the other one on top because this is the bottom layer. Alright, so once you guys have it in, then you guys want to zip it back up. Alright, so once you guys put it inside, this is basically what it looks like. So the bottom layer, they definitely have like a non-slip material. So once you guys put it on the ground, it won't keep moving around. When we flip it on the other side, this is basically what the product looks like. When you guys feel the top layer, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels really, really soft and very smooth. And if you guys look really carefully at the design of the quote right here, they actually have like a dog design right here. Like when you guys feel the material on here, you can definitely feel that memory foam material on here. If you guys can see when I put my hand inside right here, squeezing it down, it just comes back up because of that memory foam material. And then probably one of the cool things about this pet bed is the fact that it makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around. So they have this little handle option right here. Where you can carry with you guys anywhere you want to, which is pretty nice, if you can see. And obviously in the front right here, they have the little logo that has the leather patching right here. That's a Bedsure Comfy Pet. And like I mentioned, they do have the non-skid material in the bottom. So if you try to move it, it barely moves because of that non-slip material in the bottom. So that way when your pet jump on this and start sleeping on this, it won't move around, which is pretty nice. But definitely one of the cool things about this memory foam mat right here is the fact that it has that cooling gel memory foam that I mentioned on the top layer. So that way actually will give you guys that cooling effect when you guys actually use the product. And it also has the heat dissipation as well to evenly spread out the heat. And that way it won't be like super hot, especially like during the hot summer days. And also for this mat or for this bed right here, it is waterproof as well. So if you guys accidentally spill water in this, it should be fine. So I'll actually bring it a little bit closer to show you guys the design right here really quick. And we'll probably do like a waterproof test to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, when I bring it up close, if I can see the design right here, you have to look really carefully, but you can see the dog design right here throughout the product, which is pretty cool. And in terms of the waterproof that they mentioned, I'm not 100% sure if the top layer like this cover right here is waterproof, but the inner layer is actually waterproof. And both for this cover right here and the inside layer, you can definitely throw in the washer to wash it as well. But let me actually do a quick waterproof test to see whether or not this outer layer is waterproof as well. Alright, so I got a cup of water right here. Let's test it out to see whether or not this layer is actually waterproof as well. Alright. So you can see the water comes off really easily, even though it gets a little bit wet. The water is still submerged into the fabric or whatever, but it is waterproof. As you see, the water just comes off really easily. Alright, so now let me bring the dog over and let them try it out. Alright, so now that you guys saw the quick test of the product, you can definitely see that everything works really well and the dog loves it a lot. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. As you can see, definitely a high quality product overall. But now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this memory foam pet bed, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a pretty big memory foam mat or bed to use at home, in office, or wherever you guys have your pets, then you definitely want to get one of these right here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.